Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to change your password in Windows 11 quickly and easily. Whether you want to update your password for security reasons or simply set a new one that's easier to remember, follow these steps. First, open Settings by pressing Windows Y on your keyboard. When the Settings window appears, find and select Accounts from the left-hand menu. In the Accounts section, select Sign In Options. Scroll down and look for Password, then click the Change button. At this point, Windows will ask you to enter your current password to verify your identity. Type in your old password, then click Next. Now you'll see a window where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, then re-enter it to confirm. In the Password Hint field, you can enter a hint to help you remember your password in case you forget it. However, make sure the hint isn't too obvious to prevent others from guessing it. Once you've filled everything out, click Next, then click Finish to complete the password change process. If you use a sign-in PIN, you can also change it by going to Sign In Options, selecting PIN, Windows Hello, and clicking Change. Then, enter your current PIN, type in a new PIN, confirm it, and click OK. If you enter a PIN that is too simple, such as 1111, Windows will require you to set a more complex PIN. If you forget your password and can't log into your computer, click I forgot my password on the sign-in screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password using your Microsoft account. And that's it! Now you know how to change your password in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future tutorials from Easy Tech Steps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.